The plan first analyzes the external environment of the project through past tool. The plan has designed 3 development stages to help the project from a single category to a full category, and finally cover the whole ecological layout of finance and logistics. Finally, from the perspective of the return on investment of the project, it is calculated that the internal rate of return of the project in the first 5 years is 43.44%, which is far greater than the project capital cost of 12%. It can be seen that the project has lending, feasibility, and investment value. Keywords: women's wear, social content, e-commerce, marketing strategy, business plan. 1. Introduction 1.1 Research background. In recent years, the user scale of social e-commerce has increased year by year, and the potential user group is also increasing. At the same time, some new consumption habits and consumption patterns are also developing. Although a clothing group is a company with strong sense of crisis and a strong sensitivity to the trend. When the mobile internet is popular, it will open channels for e-commerce on Tmall. The plan will conduct a detailed analysis of the external market that the project may face and make a detailed plan for the project marketing and the talent operation so as to achieve the expected return on investment of the project.
The plan will conduct a detailed analysis of the external market that the project may face and make a detailed plan for the project making and talent operation so as to achieve the expected return on investment of the project. Fashion contact product create, marketing, network and brand building, information system to building, the talent team. In management, planning has 2 meanings. One is planning work, which refers to the analysis of the external environment and internal condition of the organization, and put forward the organizational objective to be achieved in a certain period of time in the future, and the scheme and way to achieve the objective. The second is the form of plan, which refers to the management event of the organization. Different departments and members in the organization expressed in the form of words and indicators about the direction, content, and mode of action in a certain period of time in the future. This section will focus on the overview, positioning, and characteristics of the Beautiful Magic Cup project. Beautiful Magic Cup project is an internal incubation project of the government group company. In a sense, it is a new e-commerce platform. Beautiful Magic Cup is positioned as a social content e-commerce for young women with strong consumption ability.
3. Project introduction. This section will focus on the overview, positioning, and characteristics of the Beautiful Magical Cube project. Beautiful Magical Cube project is an international incubation project of a government group company. In sense, it's a new e-commerce platform. Beautiful Magical Cube is positioned as a social content e-commerce for young women with strong shopping ability. At the same time, the platform previous activities to encourage youth to forward and disseminate platform content, realize user fashion, increase shopping playability and social experience, and further expand the influence of the platform. At the same time, celebrities that are invited to further expand the shopping atmosphere in the community, create consumer design, and transfer user content consumable into commodity consuming to a greater extent. Beautiful Cube is different from the traditional e-commerce platform, which weakens the search and efficacious independent sharing of users. The original environment sales model has been transformed into an environment business model with more sustainable, more consuming sense, and interesting shopping experience. Project advantage. First, from the perspective of the team, the content of the electrical energy has complementary advantage and rich management experience. Second, from the perspective of the operation, the project adopts content-based and membership system to improve the value of use in the whole life cycle. Third, from the perspective of products, the project uses its own goods and supports new brands to ensure the quality of the supply side.